this video, I'm going to show you how to set up an inventory item. Inventory items are physical or digital prizes that are allocated and given away on air. So just to do this, we're going to go to promotions in the top bar and we're going to hit inventory items. And you can see there that we've got a couple. We're going to go ahead and create a new one. So we're going to call this one 100, let's not put a cash amount to it, Summer Getaway. The delivery type, we're going to make that digital because, physical, because we'll be giving an actual Summer Getaway voucher. The campaign is going to be Sounds of Summer, which is a campaign we've just created. If you need to know how to create a campaign, just check out our Creating Campaign video. Category, you have a drop down list here of categories. We're not going to select one of those, but you can absolutely do that if you'd like to. The quantity available, this is the number of prizes that you have to give away of this particular item. We're giving away 5 for this one. The quantity on hand is if you have those prizes physically on hand, whether they be in the form of hard copy vouchers or physical prize packs or whatever it is, if you already have received them or purchased them, then this is how many you have on hand. So we're just going to go ahead and say that we've got 5. The value per unit, we want to put this in so that we can use the prohibition rules. Again, check out our video on prohibition rules for more information on this, but we want to make sure we put that in. So this one we're going to say $500, and the expiry date we're just going to leave blank. Now we can put a credit line in here if we want to. We're going to we'll just make one up. While listening to your favorite tunes, thanks to Spotify. And then listener notes. So that's just a credit line that will pop up when an announcer is giving away the prize on air. And then the listener notes, this is the message that's going to come up for the listeners once they have completed the link that they receive, and this will be a bit of information. So we want to be able to tell them how that they can get their prize or what the next step is. So I always start it with congrats on winning. So this one, in this case, we're going to get them to pick it up. So we can just tell them keep an eye out for a text message. Actually, let's make this a bit easier. Congrats on winning. You'll be receiving a text message with details on how to collect your prize shortly. Thanks, station team. And I would just put, for example, whatever your brand is there, just thanks the team at, Happy Station or, whatever that is, so you get the gist. So then we can go down tags, again, not essential. Ad hoc giveaways. This is only to be enabled if you want somebody on air to be able to give this away without it being scheduled. For example, you might have a bunch of merch that is just to give away to great listeners or regular callers. You can then enable it as an ad hoc giveaway, put a start and an end date so that it caps that, and then select a show if you want to. You don't need to select a show or a start and end date, but I absolutely would, just so that you can manage that. And then once that's enabled, so we click that, enter these details, and then once that's done, you can then give it away on air without having to schedule it. So for this one, we're not going to do that. Digital gift cards are a really awesome Audata product. So digital gift cards basically means that you can award a prize, or it would be an inventory item, but if it is a digital gift card, it means that they will be sent an email with exactly that, a digital gift card. If you want to know more about this, just send support@audata.io an email and we can give you some more information. Again, if you don't have digital gift cards, don't worry about this. If this is a digital gift card, just make sure you click here to enable it, and that way everything will be automatically fulfilled. This one's not, so we're going to leave that. And then if you've got an event, so we do have, Audata Events is another product that we have that you can use to manage all your events and ticketing. Every event will be given a code, and you just need to pop that code in here, but again, that is not relevant for this. So now we're going to hit Save Inventory Item. Amazing, and that is all done. And we can see here, if we just go across, what the listener notes currently say. And if we click on prizes, it'll list any of the prizes, all of the prizes that have been given away so far. So then we can just go back to inventory items, and you can see there that it's on the list and when it was created. We can then archive that once we're finished with it. So I'm going to go ahead and archive these. Confirm, and they will remove from the list. And it's a really great way to just stay on top of your inventory. So that is all for inventory. Our next video will be on creating liners.